Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Today we are starting a new chapter and we are going to learn for loop. In the previous chapter we learned while loop. We also learned at a high level there are two types of loops. One is definite and another is indefinite. Indefinite loop is implemented in Java using while keyword. If you look at visually, we have what I call it definite and another one is indefinite. Indefinite is what we used while loop, and for definite Java provides another keyword called for. In fact, good part of programming you will be using for loop. The while loop, as I had mentioned earlier, you will be using while loop with a condition. In this case also there is a condition. This condition is implemented a little differently. Let me take an example. When we want to add a numbers from 1 to 10, let's walk through the steps of understand what really happens. So we are going to add number from 1 to 10. So whatever number we add it, we need to store it somewhere in our brain. We need to, suppose we say 1 plus 2, this becomes 3. Then next number is 3 plus 4 becomes 7. Again say 7 plus 5 becomes 12. 12 plus 6 equal to 18 and so on. Now in this process, one point is very clear that you need to keep the result or sum somewhere in your brain. Number two, that as you continue, at some point of time you are going to stop. When you take a number and finally you are going to add 10, that is your point where you will stop the process. Because we said add up to 10 and that number is going to be, I guess, at 120 or something. So if you continue like this, 2 points we realize. One is starting point, which is 1. This is the starting point. We also learned that there is an end point, which is 10. And every step we want to keep the sum and take the sum in the next step. If you notice, take the sum in the next step. That is how we are going to add the numbers, and finally whatever result we add it, we stop and we get the final sum. Remember these 3 points and let's see how will you do the exactly same thing in Java. So we definitely need one initial point. We need our end point, and every time you are adding a number, you are saying, did we reach 10? Answer is no. Did we reach 10? Answer is no. Did we reach 10? Answer is no. Did we reach 10? And did we reach 10? Answer is yes, and that's where we stopped. With the same logic we apply in Java. The way it works is you have an initializer, which is, let's say there is a number called I and initializer is 1. We are going to start with 1. And the condition is, as long as I or this number is less than equal to 10, we will continue to do whatever we want to do. And this is where what we say is, let's say a variable called sum. This variable sum would be whatever is the sum, current value plus I. That's what we are exactly doing it. If sum is 3 and next number is 4, so it becomes 7. We add the sum we add I, our initializer, add it to the sum and store the new value in the sum. So take an example again. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. You see 3 was reused here. We took 3, added the next value 4, and sorry, this will be 3 plus 3, this will be 6, my bad. So 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 plus next value 4, 10, like that. So the next value we took sum, added the next value, which is 2, 3, 4, which is I, added and put it back again in the new sum, which is 6. And then we will go back and say, you know what, let's increase the value of I by 1, because next time it should be 4, next time it should be 5, next time it will be 6, and go up to 10. So the value of I has to increase, and we'll say I equal to I plus 1. That is what we mean by updating the counter. This way you get the final result. Once you reach 10, you want to get out, exit the loop automatically, and at this point of time, whatever is the value of sum is our result. And we'll see this in action at a theoretical level, at a high level. I wanted to show you how the for loops work. In the next class, I will talk about the syntax of for loop and the same idea how to write in the Java code. Stay tuned. Go ahead and do the practice. You guys have a quiz here. I'll see you guys in the next class. Happy learning.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.